Hey there! If you're finding yourself with an intense sweet and cold craving and have a minute or two to spare, then grab your mangoes, chia seeds, and coconut milk. Yes, you are right. Today we are going to make mango chia pudding. Only 3 ingredients and ready in minutes. With this mango chia pudding, you will enjoy the exquisite tropical sensations. It's like a cup of rich velvety taste waiting to fulfill you off with each gulp. Hello everyone, welcome to the Smoothies Bar channel. I am Ishwari and happy to see you all here. Okay, name one fruit that feels as luxurious to eat as a mango. That's what I was thinking while trying this recipe. Something about mangoes is just so delicious and satisfying at the same time. So what's better to do than a quick snack and enjoy them pudding style? Let's get into the making. A delicious mango chia pudding. For the recipe, half cup coconut milk, 1/4 cup chia seeds, 2 tablespoons pure honey if required, and 1 mango. There are few signs to know if your mango is ready. Choose mangoes based on aroma and touch rather than appearance. A ripe mango smells sweet and rich and is slightly soft. You should never rely on color to determine if a mango is ripe. Color has less to do with ripeness, as this can vary depending on the type of a mango. Check around the stem. The flesh and skin around the stem should be especially plump and especially round. Before a mango ripens, the stem end will be fairly flat. Once the mango finishes developing and turns ripe, it should be so plump inside that the stem end rises slightly instead of remaining flat. Choose a sweet-smelling mango. If the fruit has a strong fruity, sweet smell, there is a good chance that it has fully ripened. Avoid a mango with a sour or alcoholic scent. This is a sign that the mango has over-ripened and is starting to rot. Judge the weight. Pick up the mango and feel its heft in your hand. A ripe mango will feel somewhat heavy for its size and will feel heavier than an unripe mango does. Now I'm going to take a mango and cut it into thin slices for the topping. It can be tempting to buy a bunch of mangoes when they are in season. Sometimes you will find yourself with extras and want to save them for later. Mangoes are sensitive to the elements and need a little care to prevent getting spoiled. Keeping them in a secure temperature-controlled containers can help them last. After you bring them home, store mangoes properly to maximize their shelf life. Once mangoes are ripe, you can put them in a colder storage like a fridge. Fresh mangoes in the fridge can last up to 6 days. Cut your mangoes into cubes or slices so they can be thoroughly frozen. Eat your frozen mangoes within 6 months of placing them in the freezer. Now let's put mango cubes and half of coconut milk in the blending jar. Half of it we'll use it later. Mango demonstrates some exciting potential when it comes to healthy weight control. Recent research suggests that mango and its phytochemicals may actually suppress the fat cells and fat-related genes. Mango contains natural sugar which can contribute to increased blood sugar levels. However, its supply of fiber and antioxidants may help minimize its overall blood sugar impact. I love this gaudy yellow color. Now put it in a container and add chia seeds. Mix well. Cover it and freeze for half an hour. Now taking remaining coconut milk and chia seeds, mix well. Add honey. Putting the sweetener is your choice. Cover and freeze for half an hour. I have freezed it. Let's check. Yes, looks like it's done. the serving part. Despite of the tiny seeds, chia seeds are highly nutritious. They are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients. They are high in antioxidants. Protein and fiber have both shown to aid weight loss. Chia seeds are high in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and all of these nutrients have been linked to improved bone mineral density. Chia seeds may reduce the risk of heart disease, likely due to the fiber, and may help blood sugar management. I am placing the mango slices such that they look like a beautiful mango rose flower. Wow, can't get my eyes off. I can't wait to eat this. Let's taste this. Yum! We should try this recipe too. Thank you for watching this video. Do comment if you have any feedback, any suggestion or any questions. So make sure to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my future videos. Thank you for dropping by. Eat clean.